Through DNA testing, people have found out things that they never would have known otherwise. We have people that discover their African ancestry. We have lots of people that discover, even if they're African American or identify as such, they have European ancestors. And so a lot of information comes to light about Jewish ancestry, about Native American ancestry. There's lots of discoveries being made in this field. A lot of times, you know, when someone initially gets their results, they're just so excited they can't even sit down and read. They want to give us a call and go through it with them. And it's a very exciting thing to be on the other end of that call that comes in. It's really encouraging to see people from around the world getting involved. You really will benefit from doing this, and you really have to do it because it's such an exciting field. And to become involved means that you're in it for as long as you want to be. And you only pay once to get your test. It's really just becoming a part of a family.
With Family Tree DNA, you could find living blood relatives all over the world. People closely related to you that you never knew existed before Family Tree DNA.
It can tell you information about your ancestors that you never would have known unless you had taken a DNA test. It can tell you origins. You know, you might have ancestry that you can only go back as far as North Carolina or Maryland, something like that. It can get you across the water.
You can pick up African ancestry that you might not have expected. You might have Indian ancestry that you didn't suspect you had, or some other ethnic group. And analysis of particularly your autosomal DNA allows you to make discoveries about yourself that you would not be able to make any other way, because these DNA segments go back so many centuries that you can basically jump beyond what you know genealogically speaking. And I find that really exciting to know that I have, for instance, some Native American ancestry, and that shows up in my DNA results.
It starts here with a quick swab of the cheek. It's affordable, painless, and completely confidential. A minute of your time may reveal a journey of 1,000 lifetimes, maybe one you never would have known. The story of you.
Start your journey today. Make amazing discoveries, many that could have never been discovered before. Family Tree DNA will take you there.